Hi everyone, my name is Mustaq. I am student of Abda International School, studying in grade 7. Today I will like to introduce about concept 9. Concept 9 has 7 parts. Name of people, place or things are called noun. Example: K dancer, grandmother, India, home, school. This is all example for noun. Proper noun: name of specific people, place or things. Example: Doctor, Imma, Earth, Statue of Library, United States, Christmas. This is all example for proper noun. Common noun: refer to a person, place or things in a general sense. Example: island, elephant, doctor, bee, cake, cupcake, flower. This is all example for common noun. Abstract noun: easily quality, action of state. Example: happiness, sadness, heart, comfort, knowledge, culture, motivation. This is all example for abstract noun. Material, denoting a number of. Example: milk, diamond, silver, gold. This is all example for material noun. Con- con- Countable noun. Countable noun are the name of people or thing. Example: that you can count. Example: apple, cake, egg, grapes, sandwich, clock, carrot, watermelon, brinjal, burger. Thank you. Compound noun: refer to a person, place or things in a general sense. Water plus million is equal to watermelon. House plus wife is equal to housewife. Butter plus fly is equal to butterfly. Countable noun are the things that we cannot count. Example: water, milk, sugar, salt, flour, beans, cheese, meat, tea, honey. Thank you.